Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Those who are new, please subscribe. Today we're making one of my favorite comfort food, jacket potato. All soft and flavorful from my magic steam pot. It really does preserve flavor. Hey potatoes, time to wear butter all over babies. Now sprinkle with salt. Grill your potatoes in the oven until crisp. This crispiness is the effect of butter. It's time to stuff our potato now. I like using my muffin pan for this because it keeps potato stuffing and all together, as you'll see just now. But let's first go through all the stuffing. The first layer of stuffing requires diced bacon, mushroom, onion, and seasoning. Fry your bacon just until it's well cooked. Add chopped mushroom, onion, and seasoning. Fry just until the onion is cooked and the mushroom is done releasing water. Now it's time for the first layer of stuffing. The bacon and all. Don't worry about the initial mess. We'll be able to make it work. That's why we're using the muffin pan. The second layer of stuffing is my personal favorite because it's delicious and it is my self-made recipe. Please check mushroom sauce recipe in this channel. Make sure your stuffing goes well into the potato. And it's appealing to just have your stuffing all over the top like that, almost haphazardly, like this. The final stuffing, which also serves as topping, is your cheese. Cheddar cheese cooks well. You might want to start by sprinkling a generous amount of cheddar cheese and then a nice light sprinkling of mozzarella on top, just for appeal and gooiness. Bake potatoes until golden on top and serve with a salad of your choice. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to subscribe. From me to you, bon appetit!